Good morning, students. Today we will do the new form of writing skill, that is the article. In previous videos we have done the letter to editor, and today we are going to start the article writing. Student, article writing really is a very challenging task for everyone. It requires a high degree of creativity, wide range of vocabulary and thorough knowledge of the subject. An article is a highly structured and the directional piece of writing written for a specific purpose, that is to inform, to pursue, to entertain, to convince the reader, and it essentially has several paragraphs containing a distinct beginning, a middle and a conclusion. So, we are discussing here some important point that is related to article writing and the format and many other information also. Student, the main part of the article, that is the title or the heading, as I have done one of the example for you. There is a question, write an article for a newspaper. Word limit is 150 to 200 words on the topic child labor curse. Students, sometime in your question paper the title doesn't exist there, and you have to create the title yourself according to your intellectual, according to your own thoughts. But here I am giving the title right now, the child labor curse, as I have done this one for you. For example, first of all you will write down the title here, child labor curse by Kuldeep Sharma. This is the title or the heading. Could be a single word, a phrase or a sentence comprising 4 to 6 words. It means the title of your article may be a single word, a phrase or a sentence comprising 4 to 6 words. Then byline, the name of the writer appears either at the end or it immediately follows the heading. It means to say this name of the writer, you could write down, just follows the heading here and either at the end of immediate, either of the end. After completing your article you also can write down your title also here. And now we are going to start, as our subject is the child labor. First of all you will give the introductory paragraph. In any kind of article writing you will have to mention the introductory paragraph. Children of today are the future of tomorrow, and every child has the right to education and to lead a very happy and healthy life. This is a very initial lines and very easy to understand, that introductory paragraph is regarded to your subject, which kind of subject you are going to define here. Introductory line depends upon that. Such here we are just expressing our view because of the article writing that is related to child labor. That is why we are giving our ideas related to this. And then after, in the middle paragraph you will give some kind of information regarding to the same topic, like engaging children in any sort of work inhibits and affect their proper growth. Legislative provisions are formulated to prevent the menace of child labor. Rest of the part I am reading here. But the children from the most deprived sections of population are forced to earn a pittance or contribute to family work, sacrificing personal development. Means to still, and students, for your article you must use your data, your information you have collected regarding to the subject. Suppose for the matter of child labor, if you have information how many children in India still engage in kind of child labor and how many children they are deprived from basic education, so you also can use these kind of particular information in your article also. It will make your article more impressive. Then the next one, the part of this article after this one, children started being employed both on farms and factories because they provided cheap and uncomplaining labor force as against adult. The importance of education for child was neglected and replaced with the necessity of providing for food and shelter. Then after we will do the concluding para as I have started here. Therefore, there is need to look, whatever I am reading the further information, therefore there is a need to look into problem of child labor from a multi-dimensional aspect to understand and address the same in a society where parents are guided to understand the value of education for the child. This will open up a brighter future for children. Students, to make your article more impressive, if you want to use, first of all, few sentences you will use for introduction, topic and main idea. The middle paragraph should highlight it, main fact of topic like the causes, effect, whatever the topic is, advantages, disadvantages, etc. And last few sentences comprising the last paragraph should state your conclusion on the topic, what kind of guidelines you want to provide to your readers to just stop this kind of problem. Either you are writing about some positive or the negative aspect, so your concluding line must be according to this one. And I am just telling you some important part of this also, that language use should be always simple and grammatically correct. It should be straightforward, to the point and objective. Articles are usually written in the third person. You are the writer and you will write down this article for the third person, or your readers who can read this kind of article just for social awareness, any kind of conception in your mind regarding to your subject. And I mentioned that the title you will mention here. Sometime in examinations you will not get the title right there. It will in the form of a question, and you will generate the title by using your wit, your intellectuals, that what title should be suited here. So students, write down this article in your notebook, just practice it down, and tomorrow we will continue some other form of question related to the same writing skill. Goodbye and thank you.